Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you the top 5 tips and tricks I wish I knew before playing Ark. Number 5. Build greenhouses early. Farming crops gives access to kibble, veggie cakes, med brews, and custom foods. It's a huge quality of life boost. The full greenhouse effect equals massive crop growth and speed. Create small plots for berries, medium for crops, and large for plant species X. And water intakes now auto-cover a radius, which makes irrigation easy. Number 4. Learn proper whistling and group commands. Assign dinos to order groups. This is for precise control, so it's great for bosses like Titans. For example, send gigas in waves instead of all at once. A pro tip is to unbind the J key, which is whistle all follow. This is just to avoid disaster. Every veteran has a horror story about it. Number 3. Always use taming traps. With the net gun gone for now, traps are the safest way to tame. Ram traps work universally, but look up creature-specific traps for harder tames. This saves darts, frustration, and your life. Number 2. Prioritize versatile tames. Focus on creatures that serve multiple roles. For example, Argentavis is a flying taxi and weight reducer. Thylocoleo is travel, combat, and harvesting. And Anki and Magmasa are resource farming. And number 1, explore and experiment. Ark is at its most fun when you're discovering. Try taming everything at least once, because every creature teaches you something new. Don't just wander, experiment and enjoy your first 100 to 200 hours. Those will be the most memorable.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!